After breaking previous streak attempts, I finally have hundreds of days 5 to 6 a.m. push-up streak. 210 days streak to be precise. Well, I started to take it for granted and I slipped off. I broke the streak on day 211. I got so frustrated and disappointed to myself, and hey, I said to myself, hey, if I want to restart from day 1 again, well, I'm gonna be doing 100 push-ups this time, every single day before 5 to 6 a.m. The 100 daily 5 to 6 a.m. push-ups currently been going on for 5 weeks in, so wish me luck. I don't know whether or not this is impressive for you, but I'm actually really grateful for actually doing something good in my life, because I used to be this skinny, undisciplined kid who stay up late to play video games, woke up at 9 a.m. and have no direction at all in life. Plus, I have asthma and morning allergies, so it's pretty annoying to do morning push-ups actually. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. This is July 11, 2025, and this is gonna be day 369 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, one thing that I learned from my hundreds days streak consistency journey is basically one of the best way on how to actually be consistent at literally doing anything is to simply appreciate yourself for doing the right thing. When somebody care about the thing that we do, big chances we are going to repeat the same action again in the future. And the more I mature, right, the more I realize that hey, you know what, actually I need to also be that one person who appreciate myself for doing the right thing. I should not only wait other people to appreciate the things that I do. I also need to appreciate myself for actually doing the right thing. Because hey, other people will not always be there, okay? And it is precisely because I've been in a condition, in a life condition where I didn't really take care of my life and I really know it. How bad does it feel now, every time I do the right thing to make my life better, it becomes somewhat natural to just appreciate myself for doing the right thing. It's like, thank you so much for actually moving and not being in that place anymore. And whenever I actually say thank you to myself, it's really like genuine thank you, okay? Instead of just saying thank you as a mere routine, okay? So I actually genuinely say thank you to myself. And that happens on a day-to-day basis. It might still feel awkward or hard for you to start appreciating yourself. But here's the thing. Here's the perspective shift that you can use if it's still hard for you to genuinely say thank you to yourself. Think of it. If it's actually someone else that give the same amount of effort, time, and energy to make your life better, how many thank you would you give him or her? Sooner or later, you will realize that, hey, you actually really deserve all the thank you that you deserve for actually doing the right thing for your life. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord. And yeah, for today's video, date authenticity post, today's July 11th, 2025, and today's memes are post today, shoulder work post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.